Welcome to day 2 of PyQuest. Today we are diving into strings and f-strings. They are the superpower that makes your text readable and dynamic. Think of text as just a necklace of characters. In this lesson, we'll learn about quotes, escape sequences, string methods, and slicing. Finally, we'll build a Mad Libs generator to put it all together. Let's start with the basics. Quotes. In Python, you can wrap text in single or double quotes. Both work perfectly. If you need text to span multiple lines, use triple quotes. The key is to be consistent. Most Python developers prefer double quotes. Next, we have escape sequences. By using a backslash, you tell Python that the next character is special. \n creates a new line, and \t adds a tab. It's how we control formatting. Inside a string, Python comes with built-in tools called methods to manipulate text. .strip removes extra whitespace, while .upper and .lower change the case. You can even use .replace to swap words or .split to turn a sentence into a list of words. Slicing allows you to cut out any part of a string using brackets. Index 0 gets the first character, and -1 gets the last. You can also specify a range, like 0 to 3, or even reverse the entire string with a double colon -1. F-strings are a game changer. Just prefix your string with the letter F, and you can drop variables or expressions directly into your text using curly braces. You can even format numbers to specific decimal places. No more messy plus signs or string conversions. Time to build. Our Mad Libs generator combines everything we've learned. By using f-strings and variables for nouns, verbs, and adjectives, we can create a dynamic story that updates automatically whenever you change a word. Now, let's test your knowledge with some mini tasks. Try to solve them before the solution appears on the screen. Ready? Let's go. Task 1. Create a string variable called languageSet to Python. Print it in all uppercase. Task 2. Store your full name in a variable. Print the first character and the last character separately. Task 3. Create a string with extra spaces on both sides, then clean it up using the strip method. Task 4. Use an f-string to print a sentence with your name and age. Task 5. Take the string, Python programming, print it in title case, and find its length. Task 6. Use slicing to print, Python, reversed, then print just the first 3 characters. Task 7. Replace the word bad with great in a sentence and print it in uppercase. Task 8. Split a sentence into a list of words and count how many there are. Task 9. Use an f-string to format a price to exactly 2 decimal places. Task 10. Build a mini profile card using f-strings and string methods. Great job! Day 2 is complete. You can now manipulate text like a pro. Tomorrow, we move on to numbers and math. See you then.